Okay. This is another video on a different morph. Basically the same as my tutorial video, but I'm just using a different morph, so it's a lot easier for everyone to use. Which works pretty much similar, because I know in the last one, you had all the colors and stuff, colors work the same, head works the same. There's some differences that I can show off though, and there's going to be some new tips on adding assets, because I know last time I moved them manually. So first off, I'll just change the colors. I'm going to go through this all manually, so that you all know what I'm doing. Color doesn't really matter, just to show off. You change it on the body colors, and then in the assets and dummy, you go to head, change that. You all know that. The main difference here, you have this whole name GUI being different, which is a neat thing to work with. You drop down head, and you have name GUI. You have the title, subtitle, image left and right. The title, that's your name. So you'd scroll down in this. There's going to be this thing called character name. You just delete it, and then you can name it whatever you want. And then in the description, or subtitle, that's the same thing. You scroll down, you got all this, delete, and just name it whatever. And these images, you have to go on the marketplace, like the creator marketplace, and find an image ID. So in the store for creator marketplace, you got decals, and y'all know how to grab images. So you go to a decal, doesn't matter which one, you go to decal, go to images, copy that image ID, go in image left or right, scroll down till you get image, paste that in there, and it changes the image. Something else neat about this, besides the images and stuff, you have face animations here, and you drop that down from the head, face anims, anims. You get normal template and you got template. Normal film. Normal film, this is just like a normal face you can get based off of what you have here, which I'm going to show you real quick. You get the face. You'll have this, you notice it's not a face, it's a mask this time, and this shows the emotions menu. So if I click this button, it'll start making the face blink. And this works because you have 4 different image files. These are the same face, but the eyes get smaller and smaller until they get closed in this one. So it'll play by cycling through these 4 and then cycle back up until it blinks and opens its eyes. Another thing is there's a better way to be able to add assets on, because I know before it spawned up here and I had to drag it on manually. There's a lot easier way. So click it and scroll down to dummy and click in it, and then get this plugin called Catalog Inserter from the toolbox. Use one by 01195. So use it. It'll have this pop up. Insert whatever ID you want to while you're still clicking dummy, and then insert, and it'll already add it where it would be on a normal avatar. Then, like before, you would take it, drag that up into accessories, name it whatever you want, and then make sure you anchor it. Then you get your accessory like always. This one's a lot easier because you don't have to manually edit the tools. The body. You still have skinny here, but you don't have to edit it because you already have an R6 torso here. So it's a lot easier to work with without having to edit, like how I showed I had to edit the arm. You don't have to do that no more, which is real simple. I also don't think I showed off outfits. So just for sake, I'll add a shirt on here, right? And then let's drop down outfits. This is how you can change what's on your avatar through a GUI. So let's just duplicate this. Let's rename this outfit 1. If you just want to change the shirt and pants, delete all this stuff. And then we'll grab another shirt and pants. So this. And then this. And that makes your outfit. So you go back in. Click it. You got the outfits menu. And then if I click, it'll change the clothes I got on. If you accidentally click template, just click back in default. It'll put everything back to how it was when you got the morph, and you'll be fine. One thing you need to make sure you remember to do though is take girl torso and then put it in it. Because if you don't, it'll make you a blocky avatar instead. So if you want to keep that girl torso, you just drag it in. But if you're in normal R6, that doesn't matter for you. Everything else is pretty much the same. I might make a video about gears next, so look out for that.